Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new, I am Junior and I am a makeup artist here in San Diego. So if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell so that way you guys get notified every time I upload. Let's get right into this video, guys. So we are going to be trying out the new Oh bitch. So Morphe just released this. This is the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. So this is the artistry palette. This is the artistry palette, you guys. Look how gorgeous the packaging is, guys. Like, what the fuck? And let's go ahead and open it up. Oh yes. Oh my god. Can we just take a moment to really like, oh my bitch. Like, you guys be quiet. So here's the Morphe 3502 palette. It's a little beat up and used and abused, guys. So this is the second one. I have a lot of shades missing because I dropped them. Look at this palette, bitch. I feel like this one is a lot warmer, you guys. I just love this one a lot more. Like, I don't know why, but I just love this one a lot more, you guys. But this is so beat up. Anywho, so that's the old one. And here's my new one, you guys. I'm so excited. It's just so beautiful, you guys. Wow, like I'm stunned by this shit. So you guys, let's go ahead and try these eyeshadows out. I already went ahead and primed my eyelids with the Morphe concealer, you guys. Yes. And the concealer that I use, guys, is C2.35. That's the one that I use. So my eyes are already primed and ready to go. Let's go ahead and take a big fluffy brush like this to start off. I want to go ahead and take this shade right here, you guys. Okay, not much fallout. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here, guys. Oh my god. Put that in the crease. Oh my god, there's not even that much fallout on this palette, guys. Wow. You guys, once I saw this palette, you guys, online, I was like, it's gonna be pretty. But then sometimes you don't know because, you know, online it just looks different all the damn time. But there's a Morphe store here in San Diego now at Plaza Bonita. So you guys, I can't believe how gorgeous this palette is. So then after that shade, I want to go in with the peachier shade. I'm going to go in with this peach shade right here. And I want to put that on the top. Oh yeah. Right there. Just blend it and blend it. Now I'm gonna take this brush. This is from Morphe as well, the JS6 brush. We are gonna go right into this pink vibrant shade. Okay, that one definitely has a lot of fallout, but look how much pigment comes off of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here, you guys. It's really neon and pink. Let's try this shade. And I wanna go right into the crease. Wow, you guys see that? This one definitely has like a crazy amount of fallout, but it's okay. Look at the payoff, it looks beautiful, it doesn't really matter. Oh, yeah. Come on, color payoff. So now that that is cut, I'm gonna go in with this peachy shade again, you guys, this one. The same brush, and I'm gonna stamp this color right on top. So then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into that pink shade, you guys, and really just stamp it on the outer corner. Let's go in with that bone white shade right here from the palette. And I want to use that to really highlight the brow bone. Take this one. With some Stila. This one is the Kitten Karma. Oh my god, you guys, this is such a beautiful just shade. It's like pink. Look at it. Oh, it's so gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and use that and cut the crease a little bit. Just a little bit. I just want a little some, nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, huh?
Wow, that looks so beautiful. So now let's go in with some liner since I haven't done liner in a long time. I want to go ahead and take my Morphe liner. Come on, be a Morphe hoe today. And we're going to go ahead and do a wing. Just like that, you guys. You guys be quiet.
That you guys see this liner, it will dry off matte. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some fuckboy lashes from Baddie B. You already know, you guys, these are my favorite. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on and I'll be right back. So I'm already primed and ready to go. I wanna go ahead and why not be a Morphe hoe today? Let's go ahead and use their foundation. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up. I'm gonna be using their Morphe foundation. This is the Fluidity Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F320. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my sponge that I have right here, you guys. Oh yes. Come on, full coverage. Oh, wow, you guys, I forgot how much I loved this foundation. Oh my god. And I especially love this foundation with the sponge. I am full fucking coverage. Like, I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and contour. I don't have a shade from the Morphe contour, so I'm just gonna use my shade, the Toffee, that I always love to use. So this is the Born This Way concealer, multi-use sculpting concealer. Oh yes, like look at that. And then I'm gonna go in with my brush. Oh, where's my dual fiber brush? Where is it? It's over there probably. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and stipple this out. I love this just to warm up the skin, you guys, or my skin. I love this one. It just works so good. And you guys, I always like to contour bronze first with the cream, and then I'll go on my concealer, because if I do this afterwards, well, if I do the contour after the highlight, well, the reason why I contour first, guys, is so that way when I go in with my concealer, I can clean the contour, make it look really good, guys. So that's why I do it that way. Alright, let's go ahead and contour. Oh yes. Go ahead and swivel this around. Let's go ahead and use the concealer. We're gonna go ahead and conceal these bags. You guys, this concealer dries a little quickly, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. Oh yeah. So since I do not have the Morphe powder for the under eyes or anything, I'm gonna go ahead and use my tried and true Huda Beauty banana bread powder. You guys know I love this, so I'm gonna go ahead and blend these under eyes out. Uh-oh, wait. And then you guys already know for around the face, what I like to use is my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I do have both of my powders. Huda is for the under eyes. Laura is for the rest of my face. So let me go ahead and blend these under eyes out. You guys go sit down. Alright guys, and so I don't really use a lot of the Laura Mercier powder because you guys, like this foundation is super matte already and I don't need this to bake anymore. Look how snatched the skin looks, like come on. I might as well, let's go in with the highlight and contour palette, AH. From Morphe. Mine is broken. I have all of these three that are broken, you guys. Can't believe it. Anyway, so let's go ahead and go in with this shade. I love to use Debutante or whatever you call that. And I love this shade. I always use this one. Oh my god. Let's go ahead and go under the lower lash line, guys. I want to take this orangey shade first. Just like that, you guys. And then I want to take this brown shade right here. Yeah, I want to take this brown and I'm going to put that under the lower lash line as well on top. And then let's go in with this liner. This one is from Morphe in the shade Toots, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and warm it up on the back of my hand and then I'll go ahead and apply it. It's a nude liner, you guys. You see that? Wow, you guys. And this is like only like $2. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of that pink to the outer corner of the lower lash line, guys. But that's pretty much it. I want to keep it out here. Just like that. Bomb. You guys, that shit looks bomb as fuck. And I know I'm jumping around like everywhere, guys. I do apologize. I'm so sorry. But let's go in with the Morphe lip liner in the shade Clingy. I'm gonna do my signature lip. It's gonna be a nude lip, guys. Just because it's Morphe, okay? Out. Out. And then it's going with my liquid lipstick from Morphe in the shade what? In the shade what? Brunch, you guys. You guys know I love this shade. Oh, it's so pretty. Looks so pretty, you guys. And I do not like liquid lipsticks. I like liquid lipsticks. I don't like them by themselves. I always put a gloss on top. So you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Buxom Vava Plump Honeydew. This is a gloss. It's a nude. Don't need that much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then let's top it out with the finger. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the look. This is with the Morphe 3503 palette that just came out, you guys. Oh my god. I think it is worth it, you guys. I think it's so worth your money. You guys, it is so good. It blends out amazingly. I will say this pink that's all over the crease and everything, you guys, it's a pressed pigment, I believe. I think it is. Actually, it doesn't even say on the palette. So this is the Artistry palette, the 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, guys. It's so beautiful. Look at these damn shades. Look at them on my eyes. Wow. Like, you guys, they are that pretty and beautiful. I can't believe it. Morphe did the shit with this palette. This is my new favorite, guys. Like, this is my new fucking favorite ass palette. I'm gonna be using it for a lot of other looks. But you guys, that's pretty much it for the video. This actually is not on all of the other Morphe products, but those are just my favorites from Morphe so far, guys. I didn't intend to make it all Morphe, but I said might as well. Why not? We're already using it, and we're gonna do a quick little toot with everything else. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys like this look and you guys want to see other looks, please give my video a thumbs up. It really does help me, and make sure you guys hit that bell notification and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that way we can grow. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and thank you guys for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.